Hi, welcome to EasyTechProgrammer's YouTube channels. In this video, I will teach you about increment operator and decrement operators. The sign of increment operators is double plus and sign of decrement operator is in double minus. Okay, there are two type of increments are available. This is pre-increments. If I give this plus plus sign before the variables, it will be pre-increment. If I give the plus plus operators as after the variables, it will be post-increments. And if pre-decrement is nothing but if I give this minus minus operators before variables, it will be pre-decrement, or if I give this minus minus operators after variables, it will be post-decrement. What is increment operators? The increment operators does increment the value of variables by 1. And what is decrement operator does? Decrement the value of variables by ones. Okay, let's check with code. So I declare a variables int a and I assign some value as 4, and now printf %d, and for integer data type, as this variable is integer, so I give here %d and a plus 1. So I increment the a value of a variables by 1, so it will give the result as so I for compile and run I have to press F9. so it's give 5 because it's increment by 1. okay, if I use here pre-increment operator, okay, for pre-increment, what is pre-increment? Pre-increment is nothing but it's first increment the value, then first increment the value, then it will display. okay, then it will be execute. okay, so let's check on F9. so it's 4 become 5 because it's first increment the value, then it will display. And I type here another printf function %t for integer data type, and give here variable name a and give here semicolon. so on F9, so here I can see I don't give here any new line, so I give here new line for /n, and on F9 for running, and you can see first it value is increment by 1, and now it display the value with this increment value. okay, and if I use here post increment, what will be happens? For this post increment, it will first display this value after executing, after this compiling, after this statement execute, it will increment the value by 4 by 1, and in here it will be display. okay, so let's check it. So here give it first 4 because this 4 is here, and it's post increment, so it's first this execute this statement, this printf statement, then it will increment by 1. so now it will increment by 1, and in this here this a is become increment in this statement, so it is giving output as 5. okay, in decrement it also as work this type. so if I give here minus minus, so it will give first 3, and then it also give 3 because in here all first it decrement, then the value of a is become 3, and then here it will so give us 3. okay, if I give it post, then it will first display and execute the value of this a as 4, and then it will decrement because it's supposed to decrement, so it will decrement after executions of lines. so for F9, so it will now it's first display the 4 as a value, and then it is decrement by 3. okay, so what is pre-increment? Pre-increment is nothing but it will first increment the value, and then it will execute the statement. And what is post increment? Post increment is nothing but it's first in post increment it's first execute the statement, and then it will be increment. okay, so this is increment and decrement. And if you don't understand anything, say you can comment me, and I will upload another video for understanding you. okay, please like and share this video with your friends, and subscribe my channels, and press the bell icons for getting any getting notifications. okay, and thank you, bye, and take care.